Ever feel like mindfulness should be simple? But somehow you're still staring at your phone, trying to figure out which app to use or what you actually need to get started. Let's clear that clutter together. Today, we're talking about the real tools. Practical, supportive products that actually help you feel grounded, present, and at ease. Welcome to SoulShower Studio, your personal haven for calm and clarity. I'm so happy you're here, ready to take small steps toward a more mindful life. In this video, we're exploring 10 essential products that can support your mindfulness journey. Whether you're just beginning or looking to enhance your current practice, these tools can make a big difference. We'll go over each product, why it matters, and simple ways to integrate it into your daily routine. And be sure to stay until the end. There's one powerful, unexpected tool that might change how you see mindfulness forever. Let's start with a simple yet powerful tool, a journal. It gives you a dedicated space to write down thoughts, feelings, reflections, and intentions. Journaling helps clarify emotions, release mental clutter, and reflect on your progress. Set aside a few minutes in the morning or evening to reflect on your mood, gratitude, or intentions. I recommend the Simple Pause journal designed by SoulShower Studio. Its minimalist design helps keep your thoughts organized and flowing freely. For a prompted journal, check out our gratitude journal, Graceful Gratitude. Next up, a Mindfulness App. A mobile application with guided meditations, music, timers, and community support. It gives structure to your practice and offers expert guidance, especially when you're just getting started. Start or end your day with a short guided session, or use it during stressful moments for a quick reset. I love Insight Timer. It offers thousands of guided meditations, ambient sounds, and a supportive community, all free. Let's talk about a yoga or meditation mat. This cushioned surface helps you sit or move comfortably during your mindfulness or movement practice. It creates a consistent, inviting space that signals your brain it's time to slow down. Roll it out in the same spot each day to create a ritual of mindfulness, whether for sitting in silence or gentle stretching. A cork yoga mat offers a natural texture and non-slip grip, making it ideal for grounding practices. Another tool that helps reduce distractions, noise-canceling headphones or a sound system. These create an immersive, peaceful audio environment by blocking out background noise. They reduce distractions and enhance your ability to focus on meditation or breathwork. Pop on your headphones for a meditation session, or play calming sounds as you unwind before bed. Try the Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. They're incredibly effective at helping you stay present. Let's move to a meditation timer or clock. A simple timer marks the beginning and end of your mindfulness session with gentle cues, letting you meditate without checking the time and helping you stay in flow. Set a 5 to 15-minute timer before you begin meditating. Let the chime guide you in and out of your practice. The MindSight Wellness Timer and Tracker has soft chimes and helps you ease into practice by building habits. It is a great tool to get you going. Next is aromatherapy. Using natural scents, like essential oils or candles, can instantly shift the energy of a space. Scents like lavender or eucalyptus can activate your parasympathetic nervous system and deepen relaxation. Diffuse essential oils before meditation, during journaling, or even while doing chores. The Plant Therapy Diffuser and Essential Oils Bundle is a great starting point and helps you create mindful spaces. Let's bring in books on mindfulness. These thoughtful, supportive reads deepen your understanding of mindfulness practices. They provide insight, inspiration, and ideas that you can bring into your daily routine. Keep a book by your bedside and read a few pages each night. Let the wisdom settle into your day. One classic I love is The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh. It is gentle, practical, and deeply calming. Now for a simple but powerful one, a reusable water bottle. It's a portable reminder to stay hydrated and present throughout your day. Hydration affects your energy, clarity, and even emotional regulation, Key components of mindfulness. Every time you drink, pause, take a breath, and bring awareness to the present moment. The Hydro Jug water bottle keeps drinks cold or hot for hours and looks beautiful doing it. My next pick can shift your mindset with a single phrase. Inspirational desk cards are a beautiful way to bring mindfulness into your daily flow. Each card can serve as a gentle nudge, a quiet encouragement, or a grounding reminder that you're doing your best. You can pull a card in the morning, use it as a midday reset, or place a favorite quote where you'll see it often. Check out Mindful Affirmations, a minimalist, elegant set of affirmation and reflection cards, designed to inspire calm and clarity. And finally, a reminder object. A physical item you see or wear can bring you back to the present moment. Visual or tactile reminders nudge you toward mindfulness even in the busiest of days. Wear a bracelet, carry a stone, or place a token somewhere visible. Let it prompt a deep breath or moment of gratitude. A Sakura tree aromatherapy necklace is a subtle and beautiful way to carry intention with you. Add your favorite essential oil for additional benefits. Now, let's reveal the most powerful tool of all, your commitment to pause. This isn't a product you can pick up in a store. It's the decision to slow down, to be present, and to care for yourself. All the tools we talked about help create a supportive environment, but none of them compare to your own willingness to step back from the rush of life. When you choose to pause, breathe, and simply be, you transform ordinary moments into powerful experiences of mindfulness. Before we wrap up, remember this. These tools are here to support your journey, but they're only a part of the picture. The heart of mindfulness lies in your own presence and commitment. Whether it's a journal, an app, a simple mat, or even a mindful necklace, each product is designed to remind you that every small act of self-care builds toward a more centered and calm life. Ready to start your journey? Find the links to all the products mentioned in the description below. Also, if you're looking for an introduction to mindfulness, check out our Beginner's Mindfulness Guide. It might just be the extra push you need to build your practice. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos from SoulShower Studio, where we continue to explore mindfulness, holistic well-being, and ways to nourish your soul, one drop at a time. See you next time.